How to get Jenny mod for Minecraft, iOS and Android. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get Jenny mod for Minecraft, iOS and Android. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our settings and make sure that low power mode is turned off. You can just head over to battery and make sure that low power mode is turned off right here. Now after you have done that, what you need to do next is to head over to your Safari, search for appbuild.vip. So just search for that. And then as you can see, here's the #1 Twig app store. So you can just search in here for Jenny mod. So here it is right here, click on install. And as you can see, the Jenny mod is downloading. So let's just wait for this to download. It usually just take a moment, so it will not be a while. So as you can see, it is installing, and as you can see, this website is trying to download the configuration profile. So just allow that. And as you can see, you can review the profile in the settings app. So you can just head over to settings, and then from in here you can just see profiles. So in order to see profiles, you need to head over to a specific thing. So what we can do is we can just head over to the profile downloaded, click on this, and as you can see, here's the profile. Just click on install right here, and it should be installed on your iPhone. So just click on consent, click on install, and install this profile. And then as you can see, it has been added right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download Jenny mod for Minecraft. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try your best to answer them. Thanks.